So today we also have details about free immigration outreach programs for you in Hawaii. But before that, Sara Geronimo, Philippines pop star princess, stops by San Diego and Orange County this weekend. Check this out. Hello and welcome once again to Kababayan Today, Miss Sara G and Mr. John Santos. You know, I was telling him earlier, when I was in the Philippines, pinapanood na kita dyan.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Anong secret sa longevity in the business?
In my case, I am seldom me.
Okay.
Madalas, I am other people. So whoever is in the news, I play them. Kung panahon ng politics, I play the candidates who are running for office. Like this year, nandiyan na naman si Sheriff Espada, tumakbo na naman sa City of Manila. Siyempre si Senator Santiago is creating havoc in the Senate, the our house, lower house, Congress. Siyempre the star for all season is my eternal favorite, Ate V. Kasi whatever the season, iba-ibang generations, especially sa Amerika, they love her and they know her. So I guess that's how I continue to have something to show on stage.
I was talking to Sara kanina, sinabi niya that's one of the things that she feels so blessed that she has you in this concert dito sa America because you bring you boost the energy sa concert.
Thank you naman, Sara. Sara, the feeling is actual. The feeling is mutual. Ang sarap-sarap magkaroon ng chance to reach out to all of our kababayans na hindi kasi pwede sa Pilipinas mapanood. And it's with the really big stars who keep the tours going, and it's nice to be part of the team. At saka the Viva Live team is so nice to work with. They make everything so smooth.
Meron ba kayong nanonotice na difference if you're comparing mga viewers nyo, concert goers sa Philippines? How do they react? Is it the same as dito sa Amerika? Sabi nila, mas sabik daw yung mga tao dito.
Which is true.
Super homesick. And through our programs na nakakarating sa kanila dito, hindi mo rin pala pwedeng pabayaang mahuli ka sa balita. They know about the recent elections and they know the different things that have been experienced by the Pinoys, tulad ng dumating si Vin Diesel o nag-shooting ang Born Legacy o naku, nasusulat tayo ng mga nobelista na may mga very intriguing things about our country na nara-write up. They're they're techies. Totoo ba? We have so much the Filipino daw texts. Ang text sa Pilipinas in one day, sing dami ng text sa buong Europe.
I didn't know that. Talaga?
Malala daw talaga dahil sumubaybay sa social media. So it's hard not to be on your toes when it comes to Filipinos here.
What do you like about performing overseas, Sara?
Yung joy nila. Sabi ko nga po, parang sobra silang sabik. Makita lang or makapagpa-picture lang sa'yo, minsan okay na. Pero sana wag naman po. Sana mo ma-experience nyo rin yung full show, na makasama namin kayo ng buong gabi. At
yun. Ikaw naman, John.
It's amazing how they would really stay long after the show to have a extra moment na makapiling si Sara at magkaroon ng mga cellphone lumalabas, mga photographer lumalabas. These signatures are so precious to them and they hold on to them. So nararamdaman ko yung love nila for Sara. At saka nare-remind ako rin ng days nang nagpapa-autograph ako kay Willie Nepomuceno. Yung mga iniidolo ko kay Tessa Tomas. Eventually opened doors for me to do what I do. It's a very, very special experience. Kaya when one is tempted na mapagod o magdadalawang isip ka talaga, mariremind mo sarili mo, hindi mo ito mauulit, and you cannot take this for granted because it doesn't happen to everybody.
So what is your role in this concert? Anong aabangan namin sa concert ni Sara with you, with your guest appearances?
Parang mga sinulid na tumatahi-tahi sa ibang mga segments, sa iba-ibang mga portions. May special mini movie that opens the show where I am a certain character. Surprise ito eh. May surprise character na may kinalaman sa mga pangarap ni Sara. So doon sa mga nakapanood na nung video, merong mga wishes si Sara na naging parang highlight ng 24th birthday celebration niya sa Araneta Coliseum. Tapos through the show, naroon yung iba-ibang mga immortal, mga elemento na mag-grant ng wish na yan.
What
A wish for certain, a wish for her family, yung wish niya for her family. May isang character na mag-grant ng wish na yan. At saka iba surprise.
Ayan. And Sarah, what's your favorite part of the concert?
Favorite part? The whole show yung pong from beginning to end, yung kung paano nagtahi-tahi yung characters na pinaportray ni Sir John, yung wishes na kumbaga para siyang movie merong may konting darkness tapos may redemption. Oo, may ganun, may bida, may kontrabida.
Oh, nice. And how long does it take you to study those characters that you portray? How long did it take you to prepare for a concert like this?
There are some characters na mabilis buuin kasi from the repertoire naroon na. There are some characters that took a couple of weeks. The whole concert itself, a month. Already, we were already shooting or conceptualizing some of the segments. Ako, my favorite portion kasi I like the work of, aside from the interpretation of Sarah, I like the composition of Fred Aguilar and I like the arrangement of Leo Ocampo ng Anak.
So may ganon?
May special new version, yung mga paborito nilang kanta. Talaga something for everybody.
Right.
Sa mga bagets, may hahanapin silang mga songs from here, from their idols here. Sa mga lolo't lola na-excite ding sumipot sa Orpheum Theater, we have some things na will bring back memories to you of life in Manila and the songs you love.
Okay. Once again, Sarah, go ahead, invite our viewers. Sa San Diego ka at siyang mag-i-invite sa Orange County, sa LA.
Yes, kunin ko na rin po itong opportunity na to na mag-thank you sa lahat po ng mga kababayan namin nanood sa San Francisco, yung mga producers po namin doon. Maraming salamat po. Matagal-tagal na po since the last time na nakapag-concert kami doon sa San Francisco. At thank you po, binigyan niyo po ako ng pagkakataon. Kami po ng buong team na mag-perform po para po sa inyo. At sana po, napasaya po namin kayo. Ganon din po sa Phoenix. First time po kami to have a show in Phoenix. At sana po nakapag-iwan kami ng memorable na night na show po sa inyong lahat dyan.
Meron bang Hawaii?
Wala
Oh,
po.
sayang naman. Nananawagan kami sa mga producers in Hawaii. Yan po, si Miss Sarah G. And Mr. John, dalhin niyo po sila sa Hawaii, di ba?
Promise, mag-grass skirt ako sa Hawaii para po sa inyo. Aloha.
Alright, go ahead, invite our viewers.
Maraming salamat sa lahat na nanood sa San Francisco at sa Phoenix. Pero sa mga nasa Orpheum Theater, extra special performance para sa inyo. Sabi nga nila, pag upo nyo pa lang sa Orpheum Theater with its wonderful architecture, mamamangha na kayo dun sa experience. Alam ko, may mga nanood sa San Francisco na manonood ulit So join us June 2nd,
Yes.
Linggo. Naku, salamat at bibigyan nyo sa amin ang inyong rest day. Pero promise, uuwi kayo nakangiti. Gigising kayo kinabukasan nakangiti.
And for those, we are also airing in San Diego. For those who can't come to LA, Sarah, San Diego?
Yes, San Diego po ang show namin on June 1 at Balboa Theater. Yun. Kita-kita po tayo doon.
Panoorin nyo, kung ayaw nyo panoorin, at least watch.
Thank you and have fun. Have fun to both of you.
Thank you, Miss Janelle. Thank you.